Welcome to our tutorial on how to redeem Applebee's promo codes through the www.activaterewards.com Applebee's website. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring you get your rewards with ease. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the website. First, open your browser and go to the official Applebee's Rewards activation page. www.activaterewards.com Applebee's. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding. Step 2. Enter your promo code. Once you're on the page, look for the section where you can input your promo code. This is usually a text field or box, prominently displayed on the main page. Type in your unique promo code exactly as it appears. Ensure there are no spaces or extra characters. Double-check the code to make sure it's correct. Step 3. Click Redeem. After entering the promo code, find and click the Redeem button. This is typically located right next to the input field. Clicking this will trigger the validation of your promo code. If the code is valid, you'll be redirected to a confirmation screen, or you may see a pop-up notifying you that your promo has been successfully activated. Step 4. Check your email for confirmation. Once your promo code is accepted, you may receive a confirmation email with further details about your reward. Keep an eye on your inbox for this email. Sometimes your promo may also appear directly on the website, giving you an immediate confirmation of your offer. Step 5. Enjoy your reward at Applebee's. Now that you've successfully redeemed your promo code, it's time to head over to Applebee's and enjoy your reward. Depending on the promotion, you could get discounts, free items, or other special offers. That's all there is to it. Redeeming Applebee's promo codes through www.activaterewards.com Applebee's is quick and simple. Follow these steps and you'll be enjoying your rewards in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Enjoy your meal at Applebee's and happy saving!